This house is truly fit for a king. This isn't a house that you're just gonna walk by and say, hey, I wanna come and check it out and come do a walkthrough and put in an offer. This is a house where only the top, let's say 700 or 800 high net worth individuals in the world will be able to even come and walk through our doors.
This 12,000 square foot palatial mansion situated in the heart of the Upper East Side features 5 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, imported marbles from Italy, rare exotic woods imported from Africa, a jacuzzi, a private pool, steam room, sauna, cigar lounge, as well as a billiards room, a private garage to house your own personal vehicle. You can notice cathedral ceilings with gold-plated crown moldings.
The inspiration of the house is from the Palace of Versailles. And also when walking through the house, you'll see that there is some Asian inspirations. There is also 24-karat gold accents throughout the house. I'd say that the biggest selling points of this house are that every detail has been thought out. Here with a house of this nature and with how specific all the details are for an owner, we as the brokers have decided to incorporate a Rolls Royce in the purchase price of the house at $25 million. We needed to incentivize owners of a certain caliber and clients of a certain caliber to come here and view the home.
This home is truly unique.
It's made for a billionaire.